Hello everyone. In this series of videos I will do some programming projects, right? And uh, these uh, these videos will not be like other YouTube channels videos, right? Because I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm not so expert in programming. uh, I've just wasted so much time in programming, watching someone else's videos and sometimes imitating their code, and I never could build any project on my own, right? Even same to same, I couldn't do it same to same, right? So sometimes I feel like defeated, guys. Sometimes I feel like uh, I I'm just a loser. I don't know, maybe there are many people who are like me in this world. So I'm doing this video for me, these videos for me, guys, and I'm trying to recharge myself again and start all over again. So I'm not sure if these videos will be helpful for you guys. Sometimes I see the expert people makes videos 4 or 5 minutes long, and they teach their experience, and uh, so their experience always doesn't work for me by us, because we are new, right? And we feel like, why can't we do this kind of programming what they do? This is because we see the output in a very short time, right? And they just spend a lot of time, maybe hours, thousands of hours, to get this kind of skill, right? So guys, I'm really frustrated. I'm not trying to teach you guys, but I will try to explain code, imitate them, and I will try to do them on my own, right? I will repeat the same code as far as I can't do this on my own, right? So I hope you understand, guys, how much I want to learn, guys. Anyway, you can be with me. These videos will be very long. I won't even edit these videos, guys, and uh, I just want to uh, keep doing, guys. So here is a calculator, okay? So if we copy this code and paste it here, okay, so you see, guys, uh, I'm going to explain this code, and then I will try to do the same code few times, so that I can get confidence, right? Okay, so this is the first line, include studio.h. We know this is the header file, and this is the math function file, right? All the math functions are written in this file of C. Okay, void display menu, right? So this void means this function will not return anything, right? And this printf function, uh, these lines, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all of the lines, all of these are for these printf functions, right? So I hope you understand. I'm sorry, I just lose my concentration. Okay, so we have to choose one of them, addition, subtraction, whatever we choose, we will work on that function, right? So if I give you a demo, then I can show you how it actually works. So if you want to multiply something, then you can choose 3. So enter 2 numbers, okay? It is saying that enter 2 numbers, so we will put 2 numbers, like 3 and 4. We put 2 numbers and we get the output 12, right? So whatever you choose from here, you will get an output, right? So we have 12 functions in this calculator total, okay? So we will try to see how they work, right? So after finishing the double menu function, we have the addition, add function, subtract function, multiply function, right? So what this word double mean here? This double is for the data type of this function, right? This function will return a value double, right? So what is double actually? Double means the number will have decimal points, right? So uh, so you see, when we get the output 12, we have two zeros in with 12 after decimal, right? This is because we're using this double type of uh, function, right? Double type of I mean double type, right? Okay, so we can subtract in the same way. We can multiply, we can like divide. So when we divide, uh, we have an if statement. If b equals 0, that means the divider by which we are dividing can't be 0. If it's 0, then there will be an error message like division by 0 is not possible, right? And we, and after checking this condition, our program will execute uh, by a divided by b, and the value will be returned as double, right? So I hope you understand. And if you see this function, this also returns a double variable, but this is calculating factorial, right? So this int n is like, if n less than 0, return -1, right? So this means, I hope you understand what factorial is. Factorial is like when you can say when you make factorial of 6, then all the numbers like 1 from 1 to 6 will be multiplied. Okay, so 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6, and the result will come out as factorial, right? So if the number you input like if you input like less than 0, then it will return -1. Okay, so this means that it's an error message, right? So, and then double fact equal to 1. So the result of factorial, we are assigning 1 as a value, right? So you will soon realize why we put 1 as a result of this. Okay, so if you have no idea about a for loop, or if you can't visualize this for loop, I will try to explain, right? So let's just take our word file, MS Word file here. Okay, so our fact is first 1, right? Okay, so for the first rotation, let's take first rotation, right? For the first rotation, our I will be 1. So when I is 1, so let's see our condition. Okay, so this will start from 1 when I is 1, and I less than or equals to n. So n is 4, right? So is 4 less than 1? Yes, this condition is true. Then the program will go forward, right? Will enter in this. So what does this line actually mean? This line actually means factorial is equal to factorial multiplied by I. Okay, so this actually means fact equal to fact multiplied I. Okay, so whatever is present fact is, is being multiplied by I, and the value is being stored in fact variable again, right? So in our first case fact is 1, so here fact will be 1 and I also 1, right? So it will give us a result of 1. Okay, this is for the first rotation. So second rotation, again we will do the fact equal to fact I, right? I, and then here we have fact is equal to 1 and I is equal to 2, because in our second rotation I will be 2, right? So fact is 1 and I will be 2, so result will be 2, right? And now the third rotation, in the third rotation fact will be like fact into I, right? So now fact is 2, right? Because in the second rotation we are getting value 2, so here the fact will be 2 and I will be like 3, okay, it will be 6. And in the fourth rotation, okay, in the fourth rotation fact equal to fact I, right? Then fact, so here we have fact is 6, right? This 6 into 4, so it will be like 24. So when we reached 4, so 4 is equal to 4 or equals, so 4 is equal to 4, so we can't go till 5 because we passed only 4 here, right? So and then the value will return here, okay, so fact will be returned as 24. So these are the functions, guys. And in the main function, integer main function, we have int choice, right? So this choice is for these values or whatever we choose, right? And number 1, number 2 result, these are the 3 variables, okay? These variables are of double type. And while 1, so this means while 1, that means when true, display menu, right? So we declare the display menu here, you know, we declare display menu here, so this display menu will be here, you see. Okay, so printf enter your choice, okay. You see, these are the for display menu, and then we're saying enter your choice, so this line is this line, right? And then scanf address of choice, this means this whatever we choose, like 4, 5, 6, whatever, right? So this is for taking the input, right? Okay. And now the switch statement, we are passing the switch as variable here, and case 1 enter 2 numbers, scanf, this is scanning 2 numbers, number 1, number 2, right? And format specifier is needed here as well, because it's these numbers are double, so we are giving LF, long float, right? And here you see the choice is integer, so that is why we are giving %d as format specifier, right? Result is equal to add num1 plus num2, right? So number 1, number 2 will be passed here, right? And then we are printing the result, okay. Number 2, case 2, print enter 2 numbers, same, we are doing the same thing. Subtraction, division, multiplication. Okay, so okay, division. So after division, in the case 5, we are having sine. So if you enter an angle in radian, it will give you. So if you don't have enough idea about trigonometry, guys, these things will be really hard for you to understand, and for me as well. I don't have that much idea of trigonometry, guys. So we'll try to learn these things, guys. Okay. So uh, okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you.